Today, the Supreme Court signaled it might uphold a law that bans TikTok in the US if its Chinese parent company ByteDance doesn't sell it by January the 19th. The justices heard arguments in Washington, and here's the big takeaway. National security concerns seem to be taking priority over free speech for content creators and companies. Some justices argue that this isn't targeting free speech, it's targeting ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. Justice Brett Kavanaugh said this: China could use that information over time to develop spies, to turn people, to blackmail people who a generation from now will be working in the FBI or the CIA or in the State Department. And that seems like a huge concern for the future of this country. What adds to the drama is that Trump, who famously wanted to ban TikTok during his presidency, has now made a 180-degree turn. Trump now has 14.7 million fans on TikTok and has called for holding off the ban until he's back in office. He says his consummate deal-making experience could save TikTok while addressing security concerns. And there's more. The Chinese government hasn't officially said whether they would allow TikTok to be sold to a US company, though in the past they've said no. Meanwhile, TikTok-related businesses are booming, especially in cities with large Chinese communities in the US. Malik, a Chinese TikTok influencer who has over 1.4 million followers, is urging his audience to double down on TikTok as a business tool. He said, TikTok will not be banned in the US. Now is the time to go all in. This reflects a bigger picture, China's full determination to enter the international market, especially the US market, to counter its economic challenges. It will be interesting to see what will happen next.